From high atop Healthcare Hill in Central Maryland, this is BSN Headline News. Today's top story is Father Joe Driscoll receives the Outstanding Colleague Award from the National Association of Catholic Chaplains. The health system is abuzz with the word that Father Joe Driscoll, Vice President of the Center for Ministry Leadership, will receive the Outstanding Colleague Award at the 2015 NACC 50th Jubilee National Conference in Arlington, Virginia, March 6th through the 9th. The Outstanding Colleague Award recognizes the dedication and service of a professional colleague whose work has been complementary to, supportive of, or otherwise has contributed to the advancement of the profession of chaplaincy in a significant and lasting way. This award recognizes Father Joe's outstanding advocacy for the mission of the National Association of Catholic Chaplains and his being an effective champion for professional chaplaincy and clinical pastoral education. The National Association of Catholic Chaplains was founded in 1965 by the United States Catholic Bishops' Conference. Their goal was to provide professional training, standards, and certification to those priests providing pastoral care to the sick, especially in healthcare situations. A few years after being founded, the NACC expanded to provide training and certification to religious and lay men and women to continue the healing ministry of Jesus in the name of the Church. Today, across the country, nearly 2,400 members of the NACC provide the highest quality spiritual and pastoral care. Father Joe has the honor of being recognized for his dedication and service within and outside Bon Secours by receiving the Outstanding Colleague Award, and it's not insignificant that this is their 50th Jubilee. We're all very proud of Father Joe at Vichy, and here at BSN Headline News are excited to help spread this good news. Father Joe Driscoll, Vice President of the Center for Ministry Leadership, is indeed outstanding and deserving of the National Association of Catholic Chaplains Outstanding Colleague Award. In other news, on January 12, 2010, a 7.0 magnitude earthquake reduced much of Port-au-Prince, Haiti, to rubble. In that devastation, the historic St. Francis de Sales Hospital was destroyed. In 2011, CHA member organizations pledged $10.1 million to Catholic Relief Services for rebuilding the hospital, which is sponsored by the Archdiocese of Port-au-Prince. 5 years after the devastation, on January 15, 2015, the rebuilt St. Francis de Sales Hospital was dedicated. During the dedication ceremony and Mass, the Archdiocese of Port-au-Prince, Catholic Relief Services, the Catholic Health Association of the United States, and the Haitian people celebrated this sign of hope for Haiti. And now, here's Sister Carol Keehan, D.C., CHA President and Chief Executive Officer, with a message for all of Vichy.
CHA is so grateful to our members for their very generous contributions, which I am sure will pay great dividends for the people of Haiti. The needs in Haiti are astounding, and this new hospital is going to make it possible for the people of Port-au-Prince and the surrounding community to have the modern and mission-driven health care they need and deserve. And I want to say a very special thank you to Bon Secours Health System, not only for your very generous contribution, but also for the interest you've continued to show in this project.
Bon Secours, our name is our mission. Bon Secours, good help to those in need. Finally, IS security. We've been telling you about coming changes in IS security, and here's one of the first you'll notice. The OWA login screen is about to change. What is OWA? Well, it stands for Outlook Web Access, and it is used as an online remote access point for Outlook, BSH's email software. So, if you access your email online through OWA, you will notice a change in the login screen beginning March 2nd. The login box that now appears in the center of your computer screen will, beginning March 2nd, appear on the left side of your screen. This change in the OWA login screen is the first step in a new initiative to increase the security of Bon Secours' online resources. Bon Secours will be implementing two-factor authentication for remote access to OWA, Easy Access, Iris, ConnectCare, and VPN. Two-factor authentication increases security by requiring that the user provide not only a username and password, but also a secondary form of identification. Now, this is a proactive effort on Bon Secours' part to help prevent data breaches like the ones we've been hearing about in the news. So, this is the beginning. Watch for more information over the next several months, and if you have any questions, you can contact Sean Taylor or Chris Chapin at the BSH Enterprise Data Center. Sean and Chris are both in Outlook. Well, that's it for this week. Stay tuned to this portal for future up-to-the-minute information on these and other stories on BSN Headline News. I'm Dave Schlachter. Thanks for joining us. BSN Headline News is a production of Bon Secours Productions and is solely responsible for its content.